Hello everyone, you're all welcome to Insight IAS. My name is Samridhi and today what we are going to discuss, the solutions of science and technology questions which were asked in this year UPSC CSE 2022 Prelims exam. So if I talk about the nature of the questions, that how many questions were being asked from science and technology, then the total number of questions which are being asked from science and technology, they are 30. They are more or less same as the number of the questions which were asked in 2021. What is the nature of the question if I talk about? So as you know that UPSC always surprises you. Again this time also the UPSC surprised you by asking you the questions related to SAS and all. Right. So there were certain questions which we think, oh, this is a basic, so let's leave that. But UPSC has asked the questions on that. So let us discuss all the one. So the first question that is related to that which of the following are based on open source digital platforms. So that is where the editing is easy, right, where you can go and you can edit the code. So which of the following is open source platform? So guys, all these are the open source platforms. So the answer will come out to be what? Answer will come out to be D. Moving to the next question, Web 3.0. So this is something which is unexpected. We read about Web 3.0, but we don't read what are its features or what actually it constitutes of. So this is something which was unpredictable, right? So this is Web 3.0 technology enables the people to do what? To control their own data. Absolutely true. There can be blockchain technology, that is absolutely true. It is based on what? Users. It's related to users rather than a corporation. Again, absolutely true. So the answer will come out to be what? Answer will come out to be D. Coming towards the next question, again this was the question about which we generally think, oh, let's skip that question. But again this question has been asked. That is software as a service, where you are using a software as a service. So here the buyers, they can customize the user interface and can change the data field. Absolutely true. All these statements, they are correct. So the answer will come out to be D. This was in news not today, not yesterday, but I would say a few years ago. Coming towards the next question, that is related to what? Fractional Orbital Bombardment System. Something which was in news. So you have to tell which of the following are correct regarding it. So here it is what? It is basically when you are putting up something into a stable orbit. And here where will be the hit? That is not known. That will be known only once it is being done. So what will be the answer? Answer of this comes out to be C. Coming towards the next question, this is something when I generally teach science and technology, I talk about qubits. So qubits which are being mentioned, they are being used where? So qubits are used in quantum computing, a direct and a very easy question. Coming to the next, again a very easy question which every day we encounter around ourselves. The question is which of the following are considered as short-range devices or technologies. That is the device of which the range is short. For example, if I talk about Bluetooth, do you think that the range of the Bluetooth is long? Answer is no. Similarly, you have to tell among which whom the range is short. So answer is in all these cases the range is short. So answer will come out to be what? Answer will come out to be 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Oh, coming to the biofilms. A question was never expected on biofilms, but it came because it was in news. All the statements related to biofilms, they are correct. So answer will come out to be what? D. A much expected question related to what? Vaccines which are being manufactured under the COVID-19. And I don't need to tell why it is being asked. So the first is the Serum Institute of India. It produced COVID-19 vaccine named Covishield using mRNA platform. So guys, this one is absolutely incorrect. Because here this statement is what? This statement is incorrect. or partially this statement is incorrect because it is based on viral vector technology, not mRNA. The Pfizer vaccine is based on mRNA platform. So this one is incorrect. But other two statements, they are correct. So the answer will come out to be what? Answer will come out to be B. Moving towards question number 40. This question is something which I would say previously also the UPSC asked a question which was much in nature similar to this question. Question is, if a major solar stream or a solar flare, it reaches the earth. Now from where the solar flare reached the earth? Through the poles. So what will happen? The first is GPS and the navigation system would fall. True. Because they are installed where? GPS and navigation in the medium earth orbit. Next, tsunamis would occur. No, tsunamis won't occur in equatorial regions. Rather, tsunamis will occur in the polar regions. Next, power grids would be damaged. True. Aurora would be occurring. True. Because lot of solar waves, they will be entering through the poles. Next, forest fire would happen. True. Orbits will be disturbed. True. Shortwave radio communication over the polar region would be interrupted. True. If it would be equatorial region, then the statement would be false. But since it is polar region, so statement is true. So only 2 is incorrect. So let's see in which 2 is not there. So 2 is not here in this part. C. So answer will be C. Moving towards the next, a very easy question. Again, this question was a new, you can say why this question is asked, because of the COVID-19. So you have to tell which of the following statements are what, which of the following statements are correct. So which of the following statement best describe the role of B cell and T cell? So they are what? They act as the immune system for our body. It provides cell-mediated and humoral immunity to the body. Inside the WBCs they are present, so they help in fighting the pathogens. So let us see which of the following statement will be correct. So answer will be what? Answer will be D. A quite easy question again. Coming towards question number 98. You have to tell which of the following statement are correct, and this is related to what? Nanotechnology. First statement is, other than those made by the humans, nanoparticles do not exist. Guys, do you think they don't exist? If you are my student, I have already taught you that nanoparticles, they do exist. They exist in hydrosphere, they exist in lithosphere, they exist in atmosphere, everywhere we find them, right? So this statement is incorrect. So once it has become incorrect, so answer would be either B or D. Let's talk about B. Nanoparticles of some metallic oxide, they are used in manufacturing of some cosmetics. Absolutely true. In cosmetic products, we find cesium dioxide, titanium dioxide. They are all what? They are all nanoparticles, right? So in cosmetics also we found them. So answer will come out to be D, and my students must be knowing this fact that I have told them that now what a revolutionary phase will occur, that the nanoparticle, fairness creams will come, which will have a revolution. Coming towards question number 99, DNA barcoding. Again, that is something which I have told you is important from Prelims 2022. Because earlier the UPSC has asked a question related to DNA fingerprinting. So you can say this question is something which is being picked from there only. So here it can be used to assess the age of the plant or the animal. True, with the help of DNA you can find out the same thing. It distinguishes among the species that look like. Of course, with the help of DNA, can you figure out that what is the difference between the two twins? Answer is yes. Right. It identify undesirable animal or the plant material in processed food. So guys, this is something which it don't do. It don't identify undesirable things, right? And that too in a processed food, it's very difficult. So answer will come out to be what? C. Coming towards question number 100. this is more or less related to environment, but it is very easy question. UPSC has asked it couple of times. So the question is, excess of which of the above in the environment is or are the cause of acid rain? So because of whom the acid rain is being caused? So the answer is, the major component in acid rain is nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide and carbonic acid. So the answer will come out to be what? 2 and 4. So this year guys, if I talk about, the paper of science and technology was quite easy when you compare it with the previous year questions of science and technology. Although if I talk about economy, the paper was little tough, but in case of science and technology, the paper was very easy. You can easily answer 10 questions out of 13 questions. They were not on a difficult side, rather than they were on the side of medium and the easy questions. So guys, with this we will end the science and technology discussions. You can join us you can follow our Facebook page, you can join our Telegram channel, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you so much. Keep spreading these words, keep sharing the videos with your friends, and have a great evening.